Yes. Question was sixth.
Yes, sir.
Okay. X, Y, and Z are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. Z retires from the firm on 35th. This question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the problem here? What is your doubt?
I'm not able to do it by steps.
Okay, like I have told you in previous class.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the question is saying, you can see past necessary entries for the adjustment of these items on jet retirements. There is no information about case 1, case 2. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this case, when there is no information about case 1 or case 2, then which case we have to follow? Not sure.
No, sir.
Actually, in this case, we have to follow case 1, means we have to close the accounts. Okay, when there is no information, then we have to close the accounts.
Okay, so now I remember.
Okay, so if we have to close the account, then we will pass journal entry for closing these accounts. Now, there is a provident fund given in the portion. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Employee provident fund.
Yes, sir. 20,000.
Yes. So we will not distribute that provident fund because it is a liability, not profit, not loss.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so it is neither profit nor loss. So that's why we have to distribute only three things: general reserve, profit and loss account, and workman compensation reserve. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, in these three, there is only one loss here.
Employees Provident Fund.
Employees provident loss. Provident fund is liability. I told you already.
Loss. I think it is workman compensation. Is it, sir?
No, it is profit and loss debit balance. So for distribution of profit, we will write profit on the debit side, general reserve account debit, workman compensation reserve account debit, workman compensation reserve account debit to partners capital. Partners name was X, Y, and Z. So X capital, Y capital, and to Z capital. Okay, so Bing general reserve, Bing general reserve, and workman compensation reserve distributed. So first of all, general reserve is 1,80,000. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And workman compensation reserve is 24,000. So total is 2,04,000. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The second entry, let me pass first and then I will distribute down. So second entry will be X capital account debit because we are distributing loss now. So all capital account will be debited. X capital. Actually, this portion I remember that I explained it to you. Yes.
I think so, but I'm not sure.
Just hello, Shadmaan, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So X capital account debit, Y capital account debit, Z capital account debit, to profit and loss account.
Okay, sir.
So profit and loss account balance is 20,000. 20,000? No, it is 30,000. So 30,000 here. Now we have to distribute this. So there will be a working note for both distribution. Working note number 1. There is 2 profits, so we will add these 2 profit first. General reserve, it is 1,80,000 and plus workman compensation reserve. Okay.
Okay, sir.
24,000. So total is now 2,04,000. And for distribution purpose, we will multiply it with their ratio A, B, and C. So 2,04,000 into 3:1. So 3/6, 2,04,000 into 2/6, and 2,04,000 into 1/6. So it will be 34,000. It will be 68,000, and it will be 1,02,000. So this is distribution of profit. Now the distribution of loss. Profit and loss debit balance. It is 30,000. So A, B, and C. 30,000 into 3/6, it will be 15,000. 30,000 into 2/6, it will be 10,000, and 30,000 into 1/6, it will be 5,000. So now here it will be 1,02,000, 68,000, and 34,000. It is 15,000, 10,000, and 5,000. Now this quotient we have already discussed in our previous class. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then why you were not able to solve this
I
quotient?
think because that day I didn't do this question. After 2 days I tried, so I forgot the steps.
Yes, that's happened. That's why I generally told you that when we finish our class, try to solve the quotient within 24 hours. If not within 12 hours, then within 24 hours, because our mind works like that. It will remember a specific concept or topic that you have discussion with. So you remember those topics for only 24 hours. After that, you forget things. So generally, it is advisable to solve the quotient within 24 hours of class.
Okay, sir. I will do it today itself.
Okay. So now it is clear to you that how to
Yes,
solve
sir.
these type of questions. Okay. Now, one more thing. If you have to solve this question by second method, can you solve it?
I'll try, sir.
Please do it.
So in case two, first you have to calculate net balance of reserve.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So you are saying?
In case two, first we have to calculate net balance of reserve.
In case two.
Yes.
Yes, it will be written in the steps.
Yes, it's written, but how do I do it?
Net balance.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if there is items which is to be added or items which is to be deducted, then what will be the net balance? What do you think? The single amount you have to calculate by the given information. Now, in this quotient, leave the employee provident fund, okay?
Okay, sir.
And for balance three amounts like general reserve, profit and loss, workman compensation reserve, you have to calculate a single amount. What will you do?
So it will be like 1,80,000 minus 30,000 plus 24,000.
That's it. Yes.
Okay,
Item
sir.
which is profit will be added. Item which is loss will be deducted.
Okay, sir. So then the second step is calculate gain or sacrifice of each partner. I have got gain for X and Y.
Okay.
So I have got minus 3 divided by 30. It
No,
is
ठीक है.
for
Yes, it's fine. You get gain for X and Y. That's okay.
so I have to multiply minus 3 divided by 30 into
Not
1
minus.
lakh.
Not minus. When you say it is gain, then you don't have to write minus.
Okay, sir. So it is 3 by 30 divided into 1,26,000.
1,26,000.
Yes, sir.
How you got 1,26,000?
I did 1,80,000 minus 30,000 plus 24,000.
Okay, then
So I got that as net balance 1,26,000.
I think it's incorrect.
I have added profit and loss plus workman compensation,
No,
then
that's not
minus it.
correct. You have done wrong calculation. You have done like this. Let me tell you. You have done 1,80,000 minus 24,000 plus 30,000. Yes.
Yes.
And after that, you have added these two.
Yes.
That's not correct. It's not in the bracket. Okay. First of all, if you write 24,000 minus and plus 30,000, then what will be the balance?
6,000.
6,000,
Yes.
which is in plus.
Yes.
Okay. So the result of these two is 6,000 and here 1,80,000. So it should be 1,86,000.
Yes, sir.
But
But
actually, I have written one amount incorrect, I think. The actual amount is 1,80,000 minus 30,000. 30,000 is profit loss and plus 24,000 workman compensation. So it will be 1,80,000 minus 6,000. So 1,74,000.
yes.
This is it. Or you can do it like this also. When this type of information is given, you have to choose the plus item first, not minus, plus item first. So it is in plus, positive,
Yes.
and it is also positive. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Plus 24,000, it means it is positive. This is minus 30,000, means negative. So leave this item and add these two items. So it will be 2,04,000. Yes.
Yes.
And then minus 30,000. You will get 1,74,000. So this is the correct solution, correct calculation.
So now I'll multiply 3 divided by 30 into 1,74,000.
Yes.
Okay, sir. I got 17,400.
70,400.
Yes, 17,400.
Okay, 17,400.
Yes.
Okay. And you have to calculate for every part, X, Y, and Z.
Oh, okay, sir. Sir, for Z, how to calculate gain or sacrifice?
Okay. Is there any new ratio?
New ratio? No, sir, it's not there.
Because Z retired, so there will be no ratio.
The new ratio is 3:2.
New ratio for Z.
No, sir, I can't see any ratio in the question.
Yes, the ratio is given only for X and Y. If Z is retiring, there will be no ratio. This is the simple, you can say common sense, that if one partner is retired from the firm, then how there will be new ratio for him?
Yes.
Yes. Now,
Yes.
if he is not getting anything in new ratio, then everything that he was getting in the past is gone. Yes.
Yes.
So tell me, he is sacrificing or gaining?
Sacrificing.
And how much?
Same as his ratio, 1.
Yes, uh, he has not, sorry, not he has, he will not get anything in future. Okay, so he is leaving his share,
Okay, sir.
all the share. So his old share is his sacrifice.
Okay, sir.
And actually, one more thing, when I say to you that you have to solve a question, it means you have to solve that question and get the answer independently. You don't have to ask anything in between the question solving. Okay.
Okay, sir.
After completion of the question, if there is any problem, I will see, or you will not getting any point. After the solution of the question, after you have completed the question, then you can ask anything. Okay. Because if you will ask everything in between solving the question, solution of the question, then it is beneficial for me to solve the question. You will not understand anything because you are asking everything from me. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you have to solve the question. Now I actually, this question you have asked 3 to 4 questions from me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now I will give you one more question to solve, because this question is not completely done by you.
Yes, sir.
So you have to solve one more question. First complete this, after that.
So, sir, the general entries are X capital account debit, 52,200, Y capital account debit, 34,800, to Z capital account, 29,000.
X capital account debit.
Uh,
Let wait, 1 minute. Yes, tell me. X capital,
Account debit 52,200.
52,200. Okay.
Y capital account debit 34,800.
Y capital account debit 34,800.
800.
To Z capital.
2. Yes. I think the answer is 87,000, but I got 29,000.
29,000.
Yes, I did one mistake here in the ratio part.
Yes, tell me.
I did
The
one
total Z capital will be, tell me.
87,000.
87,000. Okay. Okay. So the net balance you get is 1,74,000. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how you have calculated sacrifice or gain?
I have done 3 divided by 6 minus 3 divided by 5. Old ratio minus new ratio.
And okay, so 3 divided by 6 minus 3 divided by 5. Here it
That
is.
is 2 divided by 6 minus 2 divided by 5.
Okay. And Z sacrifice 1 divided by 6.
Yes.
Okay. So it is 30. And 15 minus 18. So minus 3 by 30. And 30. 10 minus 12. Minus 2 by 30. So these two are gain. Yes.
Yes.
And this is sacrifice. So I told you that we have to multiply the net balance with their gain or sacrifice.
Yes.
So it will be this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is 17,400. And 11,600 and 29,000.
I did a mistake here.
Which
I didn't divide it by 3. I just multiplied 1,74,000 into 3. I didn't divide it by 3.
divided by 30.
Yes, I have cut the zeros.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Then it will be like this.
Yes, and that's the mistake I have done.
This is mathematics, pure mathematics. Actually, we expect you to solve this type of solution. This is very basic mathematics. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, don't do these type of mistakes. This is not expected from you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so 1,74,000 divided by 3. Sorry, into 3 divided by 30. So entry will be X capital account debit 17,400. Y capital account debit 11,600 and Z capital account. Oh, sorry, to Z capital to. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now let's take one more problem here. This question is for you. General reserve 50,000 and sorry, general reserve not 50,000. It is 1,10,000 and profit and loss debit balance is 20,000 and there is workman compensation reserve 40,000 and there is one more miscellaneous expenditure. It is 10,000. Profit sharing ratio of A, B, and C was 3:2:1, same as the previous one. C retired. That's it. Now, you have to solve this question by first method. Okay, the first method and second method, both. Okay, but first complete the first one. The first method.
Okay, sir. So the case 1 is done.
Tell me the journal entry.
General reserve account debit 1,10,000. Profit and loss account debit 20,000. Workman compensation reserve account debit 40,000. Mess expenditure account debit 10,000. To A's capital account debit. To A's capital account 90,000. To B's capital account 60,000. And to C's capital account 30,000.
Okay. So A capital 50,000,
90,000.
90,000. B
60,000.
and C 30,000.
Yes.
So this is profit.
Yes.
Workman compensation reserve is also profit. But these two are loss. So you have distributed profit and loss in the same manner.
Actually, I've added all the general reserve, profit and loss, all the things, and then I have distributed.
Yes, that's what I'm telling you. You have distributed profit and loss both in the same manner, in the
Yes.
same entry.
Yes.
And in case 1, there is no second entry.
Yes, it's there.
There is only one entry, you're saying.
There is first profit and then second one is loss.
Yes. So distribution of profit and loss should be done separately. Yes.
Yes, sir.
But you didn't.
Yes, sir. That's a mistake.
Let's do it again.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Tell me the
So
journal entry again.
for the profit, general reserve account debit 1,10,000. Workman compensation reserve account debit 40,000. To A's account 75,000. To B's capital account 50,000. We have 50,000. To C's capital account 25,000.
Okay.
And for the loss, PL profit and loss account debit 20,000.
Wait. What is the journal entry written in theory part for loss
Oh, I
distribution?
did upside down. I did upside down. Should be A's capital account debit, 15,000. B's capital account debit, 10,000. C's capital account debit, 5,000. To profit and loss account, 20,000. To miss expenditure account, 10,000.
Yes, now it is correct. So now you can see, if you keep asking the question, you will not understand the concept. Okay, because
Yes.
in this simple question, you have made three mistakes, and not a simple one. The big one means you have changed whole of the entry. Okay, so that is why I told you that you try to solve much as much as question you can. Okay, so that it will be very easy for you to understand any related question for that topic. Okay, so that's why from the next class, when you solve question, please send the solved question to our WhatsApp channel or in this chat in any manner, you can send me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So after solving question, you have to send me the uh, picture or screenshot, whatever you can send.
Okay, sir. I'll do it.
Okay. Now, the second case.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Done.
Okay.
The general entries are A's capital account debit to 12,000. B's capital account debit to 8,000. To C's account, to C's capital account, 20,000.
Okay, can you repeat the entry?
A's capital account debit 12,000. B's capital.
From starting. From starting.
Yes, it's from starting only. General entry. A's capital account debit 12,000. B's capital account debit 8,000. To C's capital account 20,000.
Okay. So